Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use the frequency fix feature on the following car. So, at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Here you need to look for the radio. So here I have the radio icon. Under the radio icon, you've got this small settings icon. Let me just tap it, and then you've got access to the radio settings. Here you can use the frequency fix. You can toggle this switcher, so you can just enable it or disable it. So basically, what it does, this logs the radio to one specific frequency. Why it's usually off in modern cars, alternative frequency FA is usually better. It automatically switches to a stronger signal of the same station as you drive between cities. If you turn the frequency fix on, the car will stay on the current frequency even if the signal gets weak or static field. So you can decide if you would like to use it, you can enable it. In my case, I will keep it off. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.